Good morning. Our today's topic is importance of pH in everyday life. Let's go through the points. The first point is importance of pH in existence of living beings. Second point is importance of pH in soil. Third point is importance of pH in digestive system. Fourth point is importance of pH in stopping decay of teeth. And fifth point is in the remedy of bite of honeybee. Let's go through all the points in detail. The first point is importance of pH in existence of living beings. Physiological reaction occurring in human body takes place in the pH range of 7 to 7.8. If the value of pH changes, the survival of living organisms become difficult and biological reaction get disturbed. Generally, pH of pure water, pH value of pure water is 7, while the pH of rainwater is 5.6. When pH of rainwater becomes less than 5.6, it is called acid rain. When the acid rain flows into water reservoirs such as rivers, ponds, then pH of the water decreases. So, the survival of aquatic life kingdom like fish, microorganisms and aquatic vegetations are being risked. The next point is importance of pH in soil. Plants require a specific pH range for their healthy growth. If the soil is good, the development of plant will be good. If it is not good, you have to make it good too for the development of plant. The soil whose pH is between 6.5 to 7.3. The growth and development of shrubs is good. If it is less, it becomes acidic. If it is more, it will become basic. But farmers are adding something with acidic soil and basic soil. Farmers add lime, formula is CaO, to the acidic soil. Acidic soil means whose pH will be less than 6.5. If soil is acidic, farmers add lime and neutralize it. While to neutralize basic soil, what can I say for basic soil? Whose pH will be more than 7.3. Farmers add gypsum to the soil. Why they are adding gypsum and lime? This everything can be asked in 1 mark question. First of all, you have to remember what is the range of soil in which the growth and development of shrub is good. What is the range? 6.5 to 7.3. Second, they can ask that if soil is acidic, what farmers can add? If soil is acidic, that means if it is less than, its pH is less than 6.5, they add lime, CaO, and if it is basic, that means 7.3, more than 7.3, they add gypsum. And why are they adding? To neutralize it, so that the growth and development of shrubs or any plant is good. That's all for today. Rest all tomorrow.